to our Unity Prayer Service for the month of January 2022. I invite you to take a few moments just to relax, to breathe, to let go into this quiet time of reflection and prayer. For here and now, we draw a calming breath, gently and easily withdrawing attention from the activity of the day. We switch our focus from without to within, where we slow and still, entering the inner sanctuary of divine life, love, and wisdom. Here and now, we open our hearts and minds in prayer, remembering all those whom we hold in our hearts. I am centered in infinite peace. We are centered in infinite peace. Drawing a calming breath, we bathe our minds in infinite peace. No circumstance can disturb or distract us, for inner peace is our natural state of being. God is peace. We are peace. I am peace. As we pray in the silence. Divine wisdom is the light shining upon my path. Divine wisdom is the light shining upon our paths. At times we cannot see the road ahead. We rely upon the light of divine wisdom, shining a step or two ahead of us. The light of wisdom cannot be dimmed or extinguished, for it is always shining. It shines now as we pray. realizing my divine nature, I am healed. Realizing our divine nature, we are healed. We deny belief in limited health or well-being. Instead, we turn our minds toward the knowledge of our divine nature. God's life is our life. We claim vitality and wholeness, strength and well-being. We heal by realizing our true nature and living fully, starting with this moment of conscious prayer. I thrive as I live in awe and gratitude. We thrive as we live in awe and gratitude. Our eyes can perceive lack and limitation, but are also able to see plenty and possibility. We bravely and boldly know we are divine, fully able to prosper by looking for reasons to celebrate and appreciate the good we can see. Plenty and prosperity are ours as we continue in grateful prayer. Open-hearted and open-minded, I promote peace. Open-hearted and open-minded, we promote peace. For we live in peace with all people. Truly and unselfishly, we love our neighbor as ourselves. Willing to listen, learn, and understand others, we keep our hearts and minds open. We seek solutions that unite us and forge partnerships that strengthen us. We promote peace in this moment of silence. From our inner sanctuary of divine life, love, and wisdom, we emerge to be the light of the world today. We light the world by being the power of peace, wisdom, well-being, and prosperity in all we do. The light we shine in the world around us shines first within our own being. We are blessed. Our world is blessed. As we close with the prayer for protection together, the light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Amen.